Yo, what's up everyone? It's Mark here with M2M Detail. In this video, guys, we're going to be removing some PPF and reinstalling a new PPF to the hood of this 2021 Tesla Plaid. So let me give you guys some background real quick. As you see me struggle to remove this PPF, we are using a steamer and pulling away with the PPF, so it's nice and gentle on the film. Did leave a lot of adhesive behind, but overall, guys, not too bad. So we had some issues with the initial install, which you'll see at the end of the video. I'll show you the lines that the film had. So we claimed it on warranty. They took care of it. So no issue there, guys. It was just some bad film and the lines didn't go away. All in all, still love the film, still love the company. Nothing bad to say about that. All right, guys, so we got the film all off. Now we were just going through, cleaning the hood. You saw that I buffed it out because all the adhesive and stuff that was left behind wasn't too much. We just ran the buffer a couple times, make sure everything was gone. Also went all over the edges because we did wrap the edges on the PPF, so make sure all the adhesive's gone from under the hood. Now we are laying on the new PPF, guys, so we are good to go. We're on finishing stages right now. We all know it doesn't take long to lay down a hood. Depending what type of hood you're working on, of course. Tesla hoods, super simple, guys. They're really flat. Just stretch to your corners. As you saw, I did the top 2 corners by the windshield, and now I'm working the bottom 4 corners one by one, just pulling the film out, reducing any fingers we do have by the tension. So this is a great way to see how you install PPF, guys. You want to stretch that film. Now, if you guys are dealing with hood scoops or vents or any type of stuff like that, really hard curves on the hood, definitely going to be a different approach a little bit. But overall, guys, you do need to pull the film a lot, make sure it lines up. And then now we're going to go through and squeegee out. Now, one thing I do want to talk about, guys, when you are squeegeeing out like I am right now, you want to get some of those air bubbles out by hand because you don't want to try to squeegee all that air out. You might get some bubbles left behind or, you know, some discoloration in the film. If you try to air squeegee it, it doesn't work out so good. So make sure you got a lot of slip solution, or in this case, we are using the baby shampoo and the gel from 3M. So links will be in the description for the gel. It's a great product, guys. I love it. Works really good on the hoods and it doesn't tack down until you squeegee it. So right now we're just going back over it one more time, doing our hard pass. But yep, see that? Ceramic coated film, guys. I just threw my squeegee off. But the main thing when you're squeegeeing out, guys, do not squeegee your slip solution back into attacked areas. So you wouldn't take the film from the middle and squeegee that solution out to a corner which you already tacked down. Make sure you are working away or, you know, away from the tack down areas. Because if you're trying to squeegee back into the tack, that could cause some issues. So always squeegee away or, you know, to the side of it. Don't try to push the film back in or the slip solution back in. And guys, we're at the end of the video. So these are the lines I was telling you about. You can only see them when the sunlight was on them, and that's what they look like. So we had to fix that, and that's just a fun picture of the nightmare I had to do with the remover with PPF. All right, guys, so I appreciate you watching. As always, please like and subscribe. Mark out.